out here in sunny Arizona, checking out the the import face-off to rip your face off. Yo, it's about performance out here today. Just passed up the quarter-mile drag strip. We're going to head back that way in a second, give you guys some footage of that. But I wanted to reach out to you and let you know what's going on over here with the other competition. So we've got a sound system competition going on over there. We've got a suspension competition. See how far you can drop your whip. Then we also have just an overall car show, right? And we just rolled up on this SS Camaro. Let me say it properly. SS Camaro. What is this? It is a 2011. Whew. I'm feeling it. I don't know about y'all, but the doors go up, the panties come down. Can I say that on YouTube? All right, we'll take it easy. I'm sorry. Just talked to my producer. He said I need to chill out. Okay, we got the little Venom figurines over there. That's kind of dope. We must have some... Okay, I'm feeling this one. Yeah, I like this. The accents, the colors. It's popping for me, man. I like it. The doors really make this thing look fly. Hey, big bank take little bank. I'ma do me. Big like a dinosaur did it. Yeah, man, what do you guys think? Leave me a comment. I know it's the import face-off, but guess what? We in here with American muscle too. Deal with it. All right, what else we got here? Honda SI? All right, guys. And for you backseat J.D.M car enthusiasts, leave me alone. I don't know every make and every year of every car. I may be wrong here and there. Just, humor me. All right, so let's take a look. We're going to get into this engine bay real quick. Man, that looks amazing. Carbon fiber hood, Type R bucket seats. Look at that gear shifter, man. Carbon fiber accents in the console, as well as the digital dash. They got a little flake on this one, man. It looks pretty good. Memory of Stephen Everett, R.I.P. Whoo-wee. Yikes. My man went all the way in with this paint job. Can you guys see that? Jeez Louise. What do we got here? I'm guessing this is a Honda. No, I'm not sure. Is it a Honda? New Honda Civic? Yeah, I think so. Oh. That's pretty clean. Even though it's super simple, I'm feeling it. How about y'all? All right, we got another team hybrid vehicle over here. Toyota Celica. Wait, Toyota, what the hell? What is this? A Toyota 86? You guys ever heard of that? Not me. Not bad. Low and slow, simple. This is the BRZ, right? Yeah. I think they made dude went with the Woody in there. Everybody puts their own little touch on the vehicles. That's why I love these things. Piped out. Pipe it up. Get a regular hotel and pipe it up. Yeah, man. All right, we got a Dodge Venom. This one looks pretty crazy. All right, so we got a little mix of import, American. Okay, it's the Dart. Must be the SRT version. Looks kind of fly, though. What do you guys think? How you guys doing today? Good, are you? Not bad at all. This is a Durango? Wow, okay. Dope. All day, every day. Get T out there fishing, Superior Lake. Yes, sir. Let's get them stripers. Okay, I think I've seen this car before, actually. Subaru WRX. That paint job, or no, is that a wrap? Yeah, it's a wrap. That wrap is nuts, though. Guardians of the Galaxy. Insane, huh? It's kind of crazy. Hyundai Velociter? I believe so. Let's take a little gander. Yes, sir. These are weird, all right? Because I kind of like them, and then I kind of look at them like, yo, it's kind of weird. It's a hatchback, not a hatchback, a 5-door, but a 4-door. To each his own, player. Super stock when it comes to the interior now. However, it does look very, very clean, man. I will give them that. You already know. You already know. All right, guys, it's T with Arizona Riders Club. Please subscribe to the channel and do me a huge favor. Ride with us.